Ads don't fix a bad book. They don't. The majority of people who are running ads and where the ads aren't working, it's not the actual ads that aren't working. It's just your book sucks. And it can be really painful to hear this for your first couple times. And if it like, I hate using the word triggered because that's like stupid. Whenever it triggers you, good. Your book really sucks. Because if it pains you when somebody says your book might suck, right? That self-doubt that you have is good because that's going to be a wake-up call. So you can look at your book from a different, non-emotional point of view and say, hey, does my book actually suck? What if Emeka's right? 9 times out of 10, guess what you're going to say? Shit, my book does suck. Damn it. Because that's something everybody who becomes a successful publisher has to go through. And ads tell you that. Ads expose your book. If your cover, your title, page count, if your description, if none of this is converting your traffic, that should tell you, hey, I need to start over again. I need to redo all of this because running ads is one of the easiest things in the world, providing you're running ads to a top-notch book.